Here is the AME 394 final. Here I have the Arduino text editor and the serial monitor. So here is the result. The API displayed that it hilariously found a temperature of 292 degrees and a humidity of 42 for Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see from the results, we have our humidity rotation at around the 40% mark. Since it was 42, I can't exactly get it that accurate just with how it's drawn. And over here, we have it set to the furthest point, since if this reaches out here, it will break. But I set it to the furthest place that I can go without breaking it, since the API has a very high number. But if we look forward at that result, it is a JSON response. Let's see, whoops. So here the result is temperature, oops. Okay, since it's in a loop, it will keep updating. There we have the humidity. This was done as here, to clean up the code, I just made a function taking the servo parameter and two integers. We attach the pin number that the chips use. This is just code to rotate the position. This is setup code connecting to Wi-Fi since it uses an endpoint. So this is the loop variable. This shows how this keeps updating. And it will only rotate once just because that's what I have it set to with an if statement. But this is the open weather endpoint that we were using. So basically I followed the string to JSON example that the Arduino library had. So here we set the HTML payload to a string. We set it to a JSON object. And then from there it becomes really easy to find the values as the temperature and the humidity are within an object array. So by going into the main and going with its following category, we can find that specific value. From there, it's just playing with static types, so turning strings into integers. That's all that does. And this was where I was trying to clean up the code for moving the rotators. This is getting really messy, so it's to do it twice. I just use the move function I created to clean up the code. I'll be doing that to this part as well. And then if we get an HTTP error, we return a serial monitor print that we had an error, and then we end the HTTP request. This was my final demonstration. Thank you for watching.